Who's your Brad tribe? What is good? What is up? Hope you guys are all doing well and enjoying life. Welcome or welcome back if you're new here. And if you're part of the family, thanks for watching again, guys. So a lot of you guys ask me, Brad, what is your POV outfit? This is the extravagant outfit you guys have been waiting for. It is just the GoPro Hero 6 and I have the harness attached like this. Say where you are, where you're from. I'm watching this video right now. I'm gonna reply to you. I'm recording. So I'm about to do a video of pictures of strangers.
Okay.
Yes, and I love your style.
Okay.
You're looking good. If you would like a picture.
Oh, sure.
I was like actually gonna go down there, but then I was riding and just saw you and I was like, let me ask. Okay guys, we found somebody on the way. What's your name?
My name's Ajay.
Okay, and you're from?
I'm from New York, but I live in London.
Okay, nice.
Do photography.
Yeah, so let's make the most of this light. Maybe let's just stand here in this part. Oh no, let's go in here first. We're just gonna follow the light. Okay guys, yes, if you didn't hear before, we got New York girl. She's living in London. Oh yes, that looks great. And then one looking towards Sagrada, like in this direction. Yes, and into the camera. Yes, there. Okay, boom. And you want to get some up here on the street? Yeah. And how long are you staying here for in Barcelona?
I got on Monday and I leave on Monday, so a good week.
Oh, nice. You have a full week.
Oh, yeah. I decided to do a full week in both places because I need to use up my holiday days for work anyway.
Oh, yes. Love that. And we have my traffic lights. I love the city vibe. Come slightly this way. My bike is like getting in there. It's like, this ain't your shoe. This isn't your shoe. Stay there. And then let's do some kind of in motion so we get the hair movement. So if you like look back this way. Yeah, so then if you look this way and then you just look back at me. Okay, again. Yeah. Oh yes, actually one like this as well. Amazing, amazing, yes. Boom. Okay, and we'll just do some with Sagrads in there. And then we are, yeah. Let me show you what we've got.
Ooh, so lovely. I really like this camera.
Yes, the lens as well. It's like, gives it this very...
Yeah. Thank you. Let me get your information. I'd love to see these.
Yes, for sure. I'll send these to you as well when they edit it. So, yes, like that. Who's your Brad?
Okay, lovely. It was so
Okay.
good to meet you.
Yes, you too.
Okay.
You have a very good
Thank
trip.
you. You too. Have a great time.
Yeah. Thanks. See you later. Check it out, guys. We're on our trusty.
사실은
Beefing. How we get around the city. Lo mejor. Without bicing, there's no life here. If you live here, guys, and you don't have bicing, you don't have a life. Do you guys remember when I first came here to Barcelona and was creating content with POV videos? Do you guys remember? I always used to go on my bike. Y ahora no. Hey, excuse me. Pardon? Yeah, I do videos taking pictures of strangers when I like their style, and you look fire.
Oh,
So I was gonna ask if you wanted a picture for YouTube.
it's just like for a channel or something?
See, like this, I can show you.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah, you down?
It's just like just like for free or something?
For free, just for
Really?
YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I'll send you the pictures too after.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Nice. So let's wait until the lights change, and I think then we'll go like just over here, and then we'll get some here in the street.
Okay.
See.
Wow.
Where are you
That's
from?
it. I'm from Mexico.
Okay, damn, sick.
Yeah. You?
New Zealand.
Wow.
Pero siempre quería ir a México.
Sí, like a
Sí. No lo sé. La ciudad de México
Sí.
para ver la ciudad y también la costa seguro.
Sí, sí. Cancún, Tulum.
Sí.
Pero sí te recomiendo el centro
Ajá.
para ver también
La
la cultura.
Sí, ¿no? ¿Tú de dónde eres? ¿Cuál
Se
parte?
llama Sonora.
Ok,
Está
no lo...
en el norte.
Ok, ¿y qué tal?
Bien, pero no es tan bonito. Se come bien.
Ok, wow. Esa es una cosa más importante
Es la
también.
mejor carne de México.
¿En serio? Okay, so, see, you're like, oh, damn.
Yeah, just like, no, I'm not ready for this. I do.
Just see, guys, look at her outfit. She's looking like a boss. Yes. That's that vibe from El Norte de Mexico. See, I'm loving the book. Yeah.
Okay.
And let me, how you did before, like one leg coming through and just like looking this way, and then give me that serious look. Yeah. Oh, damn. Yes, love it. What's your inspiration for your outlook today? Where are you going?
Just to read.
You're like, solo un día normal. Sí. Perfect, yes. And then should we do one walking as well?
Wow. Wow, I love him.
Pero mira, espera estas. These ones.
I love that. Oh, wow. I didn't know this outfit was going to have an impact.
They look so good as well with the lights, no? Like, love
Yes,
these.
I love the light.
Should
Wow.
we down for a couple more?
Yeah.
Where were you going to read?
The
The best place.
Yeah.
I love Paseo de Gracia.
Right? I think it's my favorite street.
For me, it is as well.
I love it. I'm just like vibing, and I love like the view while I'm reading an ice cream.
We're here in the street, I think, where the people are.
Wow, I love the rainbow.
Yes, what the hell?
Super.
Like, we don't see them here often, right?
I know. I'm so glad we did this and that I met you.
Sí,
and
las...
I love like the style of the pictures that you do, and I'm very excited.
They're gonna
to
be
see.
so nice, seriously,
I'm
when
super
we edit
excited.
them.
Okay.
They're gonna be great. Encantado.
Nah, igual.
Y sí, nos
Anything you need,
vemos.
just let me know.
Yes, for
I have
sure.
plenty outfits.
Yes, we can do for one day if you want as well. We can definitely do something.
Of course.
Okay, lo hacemos.
Sí.
Sí,
Okay.
hablamos en, voy a hacer las próximas semanas o algo así.
Me parece
And
muy
we'll
bien.
do something guay.
Just let me know.
Okay,
Okay, nice
have
to
a good
meet
day.
you. You
Enjoy
too.
your reading.
Thank you. Enjoy
Bye.
everything you have to do today.
Thank you. Adios. Hey, how you doing? Hey, I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel, and I take pictures of strangers when I like their style. And I'm loving your vibe. If you wanted a picture, I can show you. They're like this. If you like.
I don't know. I don't think I look nice today.
You do. If you want, I can take them, and then if you like them, you can. We can use them, and if not, not. You wanna try?
How much does it take?
No, free. It's for my
I mean,
time.
Yes.
Not even like 5 minutes. Not even. Cause I wanna. I'm just thinking right here with the sun.
Maybe like 30 seconds because I need to go now.
Okay, let's do it, and then I'll give them perfect. So I'm thinking, yes. If you just, what's your name?
Sasha.
Sasha. So this one first. This one you can like sit like this, and then looking this way.
What I need to go? Like I need to just stand?
No, like this, like this. You want me like now? So like looking like this, and then looking towards me. I'll be standing there. Yeah. Okay. Я тоже на русском, если хочешь. Oh, I love that. Yes, do that. Yes, perfect. So like that. I'll get one like further away. Yes, stay how you were. And then one looking straight down here. It's like, look, I'll show you the.
Oh, how can I get these pictures?
I'll send them to you. They look cool, no?
Yeah.
But I want to try another one, like maybe from here, and then just standing. Yeah, I felt like just like this. So maybe if you stand here, do you want to do one standing this time? Okay, actually come a little bit closer to me. Little more, little more. More, more, more. There's some there, perfect. Yeah, stay there, stay there. Oh yeah, let's try one in action. So like looking this way and then looking back. Perfect, stój. Tak классно. Okay, awesome. If you message me on Instagram, then when I finish the video, then I'll send you the pictures. So it's like this, who's your Brad?
Okay, thank you.
Boom.
I like these pictures. I want to.
No, they're gonna be so cool, and these are like not even edited yet, so
Okay.
see. Okay, boom. Очень приятно и пока-пока. Майя, привет, как дела? В центре сейчас я делаю видео фотографирование знакомцев. That girl's on the phone, I really want to get her, but she's on the phone. I'm like, man, she looks like she's having a fight with somebody on the phone. I want to fight it out, and then I want to ask her for a picture. Get up the phone. Okay, she just did a Houdini on us. She must have gotten a cab because I turned around, and then when I turned around again and blinked, she was just gone. Hey, hola, perdón. Estoy grabando un video. Saco fotos de gente desconocida en la calle cuando me gusta tu estilo. Y me mola mucho tu look, eres muy vibrant. Si te gustaría una foto, si quieres te enseño. Así.
Bueno,
¿Quieres probar?
Sí.
Sí. ¿De dónde eres?
De Rusia, pero vivo aquí, así que...
Okay, guay. Okay, boom. Let's try. Do you speak English too?
English, castellano, ruso.
На русском, да. Я тоже на русском могу говорить. Yeah. And how long have you been here?
5 years.
Same as me. I've been here now for like 6 years. 6 years, yeah.
This is the 6th one. Yeah.
Yes. What made you move to Barcelona?
I used to work as a model.
Okay.
Now I'm not.
What's your name?
Anna,
Anna.
super fun.
Yes. And you know what? Now, like that McDonald's ad is, but it's the same like color. You know, it looks good. Okay. Yes. В камеру. Class. Oh, I love that. Yes. Give me serious. Да, очень круто. И сейчас. Oh yeah, let's do some movement again. So like, and в камеру, yeah. Oh, stay there. That's such a good one. I love that. And when the cars go past, it looks so cool because you have like all of the lights. Okay, yes, the model. And can we try some like this as well on the ground? Does it work? Then I can get full look. I love your outfit. It looks really cool. Oh, it's so colorful. Yes, and maybe one like this even or something. Oh, we good? Yeah. Yes. You're gonna see like when these are edited, they're gonna look so cool. They look sick, no?
Yes.
And this as well, damn.
What? I'm so lucky to meet you.
Love that. Oh, let's see how we once
God.
came. Boom. But see what I mean? The same color. It's like with the
Yes.
green and green. It looks good.
Oh, beautiful.
Can I get one more with you standing so I can get like the full look?
Run, you can jump.
Oh yeah, we can run. Okay, let's pump the shutter speed up and do some. Okay, 1 sec. And I think where's gonna be our. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, да, это круто. Это очень красиво.
It's awesome. Wow. Really
Oh, nice
beautiful,
one.
Dude. Wow, that's so cute. I love it.
Oh yes. Oh, this one's a crazy one. I love that.
Super cute. I love it.
Let me give you my
Yes.
Instagram, and then if you.
Okay.
Yes, and why did you stop being a model? You're
I
like,
feel like I'm more than that. I'm doing music right now, so
Okay,
I'm
cool.
starting with my
what are you
music
playing?
career. Huh?
Are you
I'm
playing or
voice.
singing? Singing.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
singing.
nice.
And a little bit guitar, but just to know a few chords so I
Mhm.
can write.
Okay,
I'm, like,
awesome.
working on this project, and I have to focus
Mhm.
on being model or whatever, just not bringing me like just sucking all the energy. because I feel like I'm
Like
not
the
doing
hard as that
well.
with the music is not, or like.
It's just that I'm not feeling that I'm in the right place. So
Mhm.
every time would bring me down, like just by doing all these projects. So now
Okay.
it's just music and music and music.
So much better, like focus on one, no, and you can just like go hard, all in.
Exactly.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, well, очень приятно.
Очень приятно.
And
Thank you.
yes,
Pictures are beautiful.
I'm gonna send them to you tomorrow. We'll be in touch. Have a good, have a good life. Well, I'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Давай снимаем что-то. Okay, пока.